In this video, we are going to check out the top 4 best upholstery cleaners in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these upholstery cleaners, you can check out the links down in the description in the comments section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Best Overall, Bissell Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner. If you're on the hunt for a powerful little machine that targets tough stains and is built to last, the Bissell Spot Clean Professional Portable Carpet Cleaner is a great choice. This portable carpet and upholstery cleaner provides a professional level clean whenever you need it. The Spot Clean is strong enough to clean rugs and carpets, but portable enough to get to hard-to-reach areas, small crevices on your furniture and even in the car. The large capacity 3/4 gallon tank can go multiple cleans before requiring a refill, and the 22 feet power cord allows you to maneuver around your house without getting tripped up. It also features a 5 feet long hose, a 6 inches stair tool and a 3 inches tough stain tool for any mess life throws at you. Priced reasonably, the Bissell Spot Clean is also a fan favorite. 2. Best Upright, Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Washer. If you want a powerful carpet cleaner that can also tackle stains on every type of upholstery, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is for you. This upright washer is perfect for deep cleaning your carpets but also features a powerful scrub tool and upholstery tool that are perfect for your couches, chairs and more. It's lightweight, weighing just over 19 pounds, and features a 20 feet power cord so you can move around your house easily. The 8-inch hose is perfect for stairs and furniture, while the forced heat air helps surfaces dry quickly and evenly. The dual tank also allows you to separate clean water from dirty and is easy to access and clean. Moreover, owners say the Hoover Power Scrub works on even the deepest, most set-in stains, and is wonderful for homes with pets or kids, or both. 3. Most Versatile, McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner with 18 accessories. No matter your stain, the McCulloch Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner can probably tackle it. This rolling cleaner features a whopping 18 accessories that can target not only the biggest messes on your upholstery but cleans your floors and appliances just as effectively. This machine can heat normal water up to 200 degrees to cut through dirt and grime on nearly any surface, without the use of harsh chemicals. It heats up in just 8 minutes, and the 48-ounce tank offers 45 minutes of continuous steam, so you can tackle stains throughout your home. It features a 15-foot power cord and rolling caster wheels for convenient mobility throughout your home. Owners say the McCulloch heats up quickly and bursts through tough stains instantly. Many owners love this little machine for stairs, car upholstery, and even dingy curtains. If you want an upholstery cleaner that's so much more, this device is a great choice. 4. Best Natural, Steamfast SF370WH Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. Most upholstery cleaners rely on heavy chemicals to deal with stains, but a steam cleaner works with just water and heat to cut through dirt. The Steamfast Multipurpose Steam Cleaner is a great choice for all of your upholstery because it offers a professional-grade clean at home. This cleaner features 15 accessories for every type of surface in your home and offers a 45-ounce tank for extra convenience. The continuous steam lock button allows you to keep the steam coming for up to 45 minutes, so you can reach every area of your home. The chemical-free cleaner has a 15.4 power cord that is easily wrapped around the machine for storage. For less than $100, this is one of the most affordable steam cleaners out there, and it's a great addition to any home. Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.